Hi friends, this is an monthly challenge episode and this is an episode number 3. So let's start it. So we have to make this 3D model in Fusion 360. So let's start it. See, all the dimension is given here and we're going to make this type of thing. So let's start it. Let's go back. Now go to this top view, create sketch. Go to the rectangle, select the center rectangle, make a center rectangle, and give a dimension of 100 by 50. Okay, and do it enter. And go to the home view and do this way. Again, go to the top view. Now, this way. Now, zoom this part and create a circle of 5 at any point. Okay. Now, zoom it. And with that same point, you have to create another circle of 2. And hit enter. Now, give it a little bit zoom and give the dimension from this point to this point 20 by divided by 2. And hit enter, it will be 12.50. Okay, so you come to the center of this line. This line is 25 because 50. Half is 25. Okay, so now I'm making of this. So now we need to go to home view, finish sketch, go to the front view, create sketch. Now create a line of 60 as I created. Okay, and use dimension. Selecting this line, selecting this point of here is photo of this you can see 32. Okay, so here I'm giving it 32 and hit enter. So this way. Now create a line from this part to this line and now from this line to this point. Okay, and do it enter. Now you need to create a line from this to this. Now escape this. Okay, now you just see S on keyboard and you write B, which break. So we have to break this line. Okay, now select this line and the X, select this line and make it X. So select the option and select this, make it X, select this line and make it X. Okay, so it becomes dotted line, creative line. You can say that's simple thing. Now you get this way. Now go to the sheet metal, select this line. No. The last one thing is that we have to give the dimension here. So go to this sketch, dimension from this point to this point is 42. Okay, so give 42, enter 42. Now as you zoom, this line is outside the rectangle. So you will write P on your keyboard, select the center point and the project of this and do OK. Now select this condition and select this point and this point will become a same at the same line. Okay, and escape from that. Now you need to go to the sheet metal. Okay, select this and this using shift. Okay, and then this whole part up to -25. Okay, just enter. Now again use that plane and this part. Okay, and do it okay. Now go to the down here to do okay. Now go to this extrude and select the semicircle inside, smaller one, and you can go to this to body and now you just select that body. So select it and do it okay. Done. Now hide all the sketches. Now select this whole object and to shortcut and write MI and we'll get a mirror command and use that mirror command and then select this plane and we'll get this here and do it okay. Now again same repeat that but selecting this both the object as mirror command and select that plane. It should be this. It should be making same. So you just select this plane I'm cancelling that and select this place so we come this side. Hit OK. Now go to the home view. Now go to shortcut. Right COM to combine all the objects together. Select first. Go to this body and select this part and rotate to the 8 and do it OK. So now to go to this modify and unfold this object. So select this one and unfold all the bands, select tick mark and do it OK. Now go to the top view, zoom this part and create sketch, create like rectangle. Okay, rectangle like this. Okay, this should be 10. Okay, and the center point should be 5. So now I'm giving dimension. So you're 10. Done. Again, dimension from this point to this line also should be a 10. Enter. Same thing from this line to this point should be the dimension 10. Okay, this way. Now simply create a line from origin to the rectangle, then there is end and it is enter, and then escape that point and select this place and shortcut and write mirror command and choose to select this mirror line, this one, and do it OK. So you will get your same dimension, same place. Okay, same thing. Now you need to select this all the parts like this, how I am selecting. Same to here. Okay, I'm making a mistake. So please see and zoom it. Now press E on your keyboard and a little bit seamless way and drag it to the negative point. Negative, see? Which is side not selected. What is happening now, man? Selecting again this compound and selecting this and selecting this and selecting this and selecting this. Now you press E and drag it to the minus. There to select the body and select the downstairs body and do it OK and enter. Now here to select the refold faces and refold. So challenge has been completed. Thank you for watching my video, friends. For like this more video, subscribe, share, and you want to give a challenge to me, you can comment me and I'll send my email. You can send me a photo there. Okay friends, so bye for the next video. And